Well, we can say I really screwed up today. I took this module, a GM5610, and tried to mod it with a mod kit from AliExpress, and well, let's just say things did not go as planned. So it all starts basically enough with a observation of people modding G-Shocks on YouTube channels, and I've seen people do some incredible mods. Some are relatively simple but look great. Some are incredibly complicated and look fantastic. There was one video I saw where one gentleman took a 56 and literally made it an MRG one. And the MRGs, you can get a digital square MRG, and they're super expensive. He managed to get the kit to be able to rebuild an existing module into an MRG. I don't think I'm quite ready there yet. But this wasn't my first mod. In fact, the watch I'm wearing right now, this is a 5610, and I modded it to have a strap on it only because when I purchased it from Bai, the actual strap, which was plastic, was split pretty much where I'd wear it, and that would become pretty infuriating. So I ordered this one online, and the only thing which I'm not really too pumped about is the fact that the strap is quite long, right? So I had to go ahead and actually fold it back. But I have been told I have smaller wrists, so that could be a problem. So I thought, you know what, I'll give it a go. I will go onto AliExpress, which is where people seem to go and order these kits, and I'll order a kit to take this one to the next level. I mean, I actually quite like this. There was nothing really wrong with this watch. I got it on on Bai at a fairly decent price. Nice white color. It was all very, very clean. The only thing that wasn't so hot was on the actual strap. The white holder was starting to lose its color. But what's nice about this, and some people do like this, some people don't like this, is that it's got the inverted display, right? So it's not so much a grey display with the black writing, it's the black display with the grey writing or see-through writing. And I thought, you know what? This could look kind of cool on a very dark steel metal bracelet. So I wanted to give that a go. So where do you start? You start at AliExpress. And what I did find was this particular mod kit. And this mod kit, $18. Now, what I hear from people is that anything less than about 100, you're probably getting a little bit risky here. And I kind of thought I paid a little bit more. Maybe since I bought it, the price has gone down again, but it says $19.22. Maybe I was being cheap. I'm not too sure. But I ordered this mod kit, and this might have been the issue straight from the start. This is for a GM5600. Now, this is a 5610. But I can't believe it would be too much different to a 5600. So I went ahead and actually ordered it. You know, it was looking good enough, and I got this particular one, this dark metal strap. So when it came, I mean, again, the first indication that it might not be as high quality as I expected was that it came in a yellow envelope, and some of the kits I'd seen people receive were in nice boxes and things like that. They presented really well. This one didn't. That's okay. The actual casing, the metal case where the module sits in, was in a plastic container, sealable plastic container. So it wasn't terribly cheap. It was all very, very heavy-duty wrapped up inside. It came with all the screws and all the attachments. It came with tools. The metal bracelet itself came in a sealed package that you had to sort of take out, and even if you took it out, it was covered in protective plastic. So they protected it well enough. The other thing that was missing was instructions, and so that probably could have been another indicator, although I don't sort of see too many of the kits that other people talk about have instructions either. So anyway, I went ahead and I started to work on the bracelet, started to try and resize it for my wrist. That started to work together okay, a little bit finicky. You kind of had to really work the springs inside and sort of twist the bracelet a bit to get it to lock, and then to twist again to unlock it. And I finally got that managed to work. Just had to be careful about where the internals actually went. That worked okay. I got the straps off this one easily enough. That was okay. I managed to peel the face off very, very easily as well to get to the underlying module. Everything was going well. Then was the attachment of the bracelet to the actual module, and that is where things kind of went wrong. I managed to get one of the modules one of the bracelet ends attached to the module, and it has a little sort of T-bar type spring in there, so you have a little catch you can push in there, and the bracelet has a small shape that fits inside, and I guess that's to keep the image of the band sort of working. And when I tried to get to the second one, so I got the bottom one fixed up, when I tried to get the second one put in there, this is where it all went wrong. I could not get it to line up with the holes, and nothing I could do would allow me to shift that into the right position. I kind of felt like the way that the actual band was designed was blocking me moving it to a position where the holes would actually click in. I tried to widen the holes a little bit. I tried many different things, and I could see some of the white specks coming off the module, which I really wasn't feeling comfortable with. And it wasn't until a certain point where even the little T-bar in the springs to attach the band just broke. It just came out, and I couldn't do anything to attach it again. I tried to put it in there, it worked for a little bit, but couldn't get it in. And then I thought, maybe I can do it without the T-bar, and I was feeling hopeful about that, but that didn't work as well. So ultimately it was a failed experiment, which is really unfortunate because I was looking forward to being able to build this as a nice watch. So I am going to try and do it again. This time I am going to spend a little bit more money. In fact, what I'm going to do, and if I switch over here to AliExpress and just have a look at the orders, I have ordered this one. Now you can see spending a little bit more money this time around, $76 for this one. I'm hoping we will get a better result from this particular purchase. I think I actually went for, there was one here, the titanium black set. So, okay, $166. Again, probably wife will see the credit card bill and wonder what's actually going on, but she did walk past as I was ordering. I'm assuming that this one will be better. It says their classic word style, so I'm assuming that will actually have the proper wording because the other one didn't. And I'm hoping that this actually has a better experience overall. So let's see how long that actually takes to arrive, but we'll go ahead and actually do it. I do have another mod kit which I'm going to work on. That's this one, and this is actually for a Cassie Oak. So I'm going to go and take one of the rubber Cassie Oaks and try and actually do this one. This is a full metal version as well. And again, this one comes in a bit of a different container, like it's a bit more solid. There's tools in there. Looks a bit more presentable. The one concern is, again, it doesn't necessarily have the G-Shock words on it, but again, I don't think many of the Cassiopeas do have the G-Shock word on it. So we might try and, do that one next weekend. But for now, our mod for the GM5610, unsuccessful. Let's see how we go with the next mod kit, and hopefully we'll have more success. Anyway, thanks for stopping by, and thanks for hearing the story. Please watch the mod kits you purchase, because you will have aspects of inconsistent experience, and I hope you don't suffer as much as me. So thank you very much.